Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about our Lagun table system, which is perfect for smaller RVs and trailers such as the one we're in today. The Lagun table system helps keep your table from wiggling and wobbling. It's pretty strong and sturdy. It can be used indoors or outdoors, depending on where you mount it. A couple great things about this table system is that the plate that holds the table can actually spin 360 degrees. So it's very easy to position your table however you want it. Not only does it turn at that point, it also turns at this point. The bottom part down here allows you to easily adjust the height of the table. So if you want it to be lower or higher, or if you want to take the whole table system out for storage or disassembly, you can do so pretty easily. So it's very easy to maneuver and position your table just how you like it. And using it on the outside of your trailer, it's very easy to take off and disassemble so that you can store it away when you don't need it. The handles on here are very easy to use. I wasn't using a whole lot of pressure or really trying to crank or turn on it. I just push on it to lift the handle up and turn it until it's nice and tight. They're pretty ergonomic and easy on the hand, so they're very easy to use, and they lock into place quite sturdily. The Lagun table system is constructed out of anodized aluminum metal, so it's very lightweight and also very sturdy, very durable. You don't have to worry about it breaking down on you. Our table systems are also available in the silver color you see here, as well as a nice matte black color as well. If you like this product and you want to know more about it, click the link in the description below. If you like this video and you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer in the future, including new products, how-tos, and other such tutorials, hit the like button and remember to subscribe as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.